What's up, guys? My name is David. I'm a chemistry major and a member of the Gamma Sigma Epsilon Chemistry Honor Society, and today I will be demonstrating how to make slime. So if you came by the stew on Thursday, you should have received one of these kits to make slime, and today I will be showing you the demonstration how to do it. So you should have received glue, a little baking soda snack bag, and a little cup of saline solution, and then also a wooden stick to stir it all up. So we'll start off. You have your glue in your little container. You just open the lid, and then you're going to take your container of the saline solution that you have, the clear liquid, and you're going to pour that whole liquid, which is roughly about a teaspoon, into the cup with the glue. Now don't exactly stir it yet, because we also got to add in your pack of baking soda. Now the good thing about this is that you can add in really as much as you want to a desired thickness. So if you want it to be a thicker slime, you can add in more baking soda. If you want it to be a little bit less thick, then you just don't add as much. So add as much as you think you'll need. And then just take your wooden spatula and stir it around. And you'll notice that as you stir it around, the glue and the saline solution will start to mix together, and that baking soda causes it to get a thickness to it. And as you can see, it'll start to get thicker. So you can keep swirling it around, adding baking soda if you want it thicker, finish off the saline solution if you want it to be a little bit smoother. And then eventually it should come to the right consistency to where you can pick it up, pull it apart, move it around, and have your final slime product. So just keep stirring it around as long as you need. And then once it's done, you can pull it up out of the cup, and then you can play with it, you can throw it around at people, and ultimately you'll end up with your final slime, which should end up something like this. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you have a great day.